Now we're going to learn how to add and subtract polynomials. So when we're adding polynomials, we really are just combining like terms. Sometimes it can be helpful to you to align it vertically so that way you can see which terms to add. So for example, we have 3a plus 2b minus 8c plus 8 plus another polynomial. Our second polynomial is 2a minus 4b plus 6c plus 9. So let's add them vertically. So we have 3a plus 2a, which is, let's go left to right. Let's go right to left. So 8 plus 9 is 17. Negative 8c plus 6c is going to be negative 2c. 2b minus 4b is negative 2b. And then 3a plus 2a is 5a. So there's our answer when we add those two polynomials together. So here's our second example. We have 2x squared plus 3xy plus 5y squared. And we want to add 8x squared minus 5xy plus 3y. Notice that this plus 3y and this 5y squared, those are not like terms. So we left a blank spot so that way we didn't get confused and we wouldn't add the wrong thing together. We're also going to add a third polynomial. This polynomial is x squared plus 2y squared. So we're going to line the x squared up with the other x squares. And we'll learn the 2y squared with the 5y squared. So this 3y has nothing to combine. So it's just going to be part of our answer. Then we have 5y squared plus 2y squared, which gives us 7y squared. Then we have 3xy minus 5xy, which is negative 2xy. Then 2x squared plus 8x squared plus x squared is 11x squared. Now to example 3. So this time, we're just going to combine like terms. So the first like terms are the 3x squared and the 8x squared. That's 11x squared. Now we have 2x minus 7x, which is negative 5x. We have minus 5 minus 10, which is negative 15. All right, now let's move on to subtracting polynomials. Remember that subtraction is just defined as adding the opposite. So when we subtract, we're just adding the opposite of the terms. So if we have 3x squared plus 2x minus 5 minus 4x squared minus 5x plus 2, we're really adding the opposite of 4x squared minus 5x plus 2. So think of that as distributing a negative 1. So when we distribute the negative 1, 4x squared becomes negative 4x squared. Negative 5x becomes plus 5x, and plus 2 becomes minus 2. Now we combine like terms. 3x squared minus 4x squared is negative x squared. 2x plus 5x is 7x, and negative 5 minus 2 is negative 7. Make sure that we simplify. We have 5a minus 7b plus 6c plus 10 minus 3a plus 4b minus 8c minus 9. Remember, we need to distribute this negative. And when we do that, we get plus negative 3a minus 4b plus 8c plus 9. So 10 plus 9 is 19, 6c plus 8c is 14c, and negative 7b minus 4b is negative 11b, and then 5a minus 3a is 2a. So for this example, let's just distribute the negative. So we get negative 5x squared, negative and a negative become positive, so we get positive or plus 8xy, and then a negative and a positive becomes negative, so we get minus 4y squared. Now let's combine like terms. 4x squared minus 5x squared is negative x squared. 3xy plus 8xy is 11xy. Negative y squared minus 4y squared is negative 5y squared.